Power-wise, I'd say that the M18 trimmers are right on par with all the gas trimmers I use, professional-grade gas trimmers.
The most impressive thing that I've used this hedge trimmer on was cutting through clusia, which is a really thick leaf, thick branch, and it cut through it like nothing.
This hedge trimmer powers right through thick branches, no problem at all.
I was surprised that the speed of the cut, it's right there with the gas-powered trimmer.
The speed that these trimmers will cut right through all the hedges and all the saplings and everything I've put them through, I haven't had any problems with them yet.
It's great for us to be able to have multiple pieces of equipment on the same M18 platform. It's nice for us to be able to switch out really easily.
The articulation on the hedge trimmer rotates a full 270 degrees, and we're able to get to the back side of a hedge and the top of a hedge without any issues. And Milwaukee truly cares about their customers.